Hi, this is Mark with L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Stihl FS38 trimmer. You push a primer bulb and the gas ain't circulating through the system. So we're going to take it apart and see why it's not doing it. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, well the first thing I always do on these 2-cycle engines, check the spark plug just to make sure it's burning good. Make sure the piston ain't scored before I get too far into it. Because in the past I've put carburetor kits in these and everything, and come to find out the piston was scored, so I did all that for nothing. So well, it looks like it's burning okay. And I don't know how long ago it's been run, but when they sit for a while, I always like putting a few little squirts of WD-40 in there just to put a little coat of oil on the rings and everything until the gas and the oil get up in there and start lubricating everything. So we got us a new plug. Go ahead and throw it in there. Snug that up. Put the wire back on. Oh, that's pretty dirty. Oh, that air filter is really dirty. You can blow them out, but I think I'm just gonna replace that with the new one. And on these Stihls, on the 2 carburetor bolts, the nuts are 15/16. Just use a nut driver, will be fine. Okay, let's go ahead and take that off. Got this little gasket on here. Just be careful we don't rip it. There we go. Now I'm going to take the fuel lines off. Like that. Then we'll pull it out a little bit. And we'll unhook the throttle linkage right there. I'm gonna spray it off a little bit before we take it apart so that dirt don't get in there. As I can see right now, there's a crack. There's a crack right there. There it is. And that's kind of a common problem when you get moisture in the gas, then it freezes in the winter time. Well, this part here is some kind of aluminum, cast aluminum or something. And this here is plastic. But yeah, I'm not even gonna bother tearing that apart because it's cracked. That's why it's not. That's why it's not priming. So let me see if I have a carburetor for this. Well, yeah, we're gonna have to make sure we blow that tank out really good. Make sure there's absolutely no water and stuff in there. Well, it's summertime now, so it's not gonna freeze, but so this don't happen next winter. So let me go look for a carburetor. Okay, I got a new carburetor and I got a new air filter. So we'll put the throttle linkage in that hole right there. Get that put in there. Then there's a clip where that linkage bracket goes in. Make sure it works. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blow out this tank just to make sure there's no dirt and any water in there and like that. Just to be on the safe side. The lines are clear. Okay. Hook up the return line and the pickup line. Put this gasket on here. Now these new carburetors, you don't know if they're set or not. So once we get this thing running, we'll adjust the high and the low. So you get the maximum performance out of it. These 38s, they're not that big, but you know they do the job. They'll cut grass really good, but thick weeds not so much. But make sure they're nice and snug. Make sure your chokes, lever's working good. Got our new filter. Put it on there. Sure it clicks in place. I'll put some fuel in there. Let's see if this bad boy starts. Okay. See how the gas circulates through that. I wasn't doing that on this carburetor. Okay, well, I'll get this all ready and we'll see if we can start this. Just double check. Make sure everything's working. Okay, make sure the switch is on. We push the primer. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyways, you have a good afternoon. Bye. Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks.